Hi, I'm Farhan and I'm from Bangalore. So I heard about this meditation from my mom and I've been meditating or doing it for the past, like I've been meditating for the past 5 years, but not on a continuous basis. So I heard about Pyramid Valley from my mother and her friends and I decided to come here alone this time. And the experiences here have been surreal and it's helped me on to become calm on a stress, like on a mental level, it's made me calm and it actually helps me out a lot because I had a lot of stress before coming up on like things about work, things about home, whatever's happening, and the future. So right now I feel little grounded after meditating here and going around the places. The volunteers helped me out. The people here, the food also was really nice, the veg food. So this place here keeps you. It's a really good vibe, and it's it's worth it. It's like really worth it. I mean, the rooms here are also clean, and the place to go, the Tapasthali to the Osho Point to the Pyramid Valley, it's really nice, and I think all of you should try it out. It's really helpful, and it calms you on a mental level. It keeps you really calm. It removes all your stress and actually helps you connect with yourself and your inner self. So once I was meditating here, a lot of scenarios were playing out in my head, and it was just unrealistic scenarios that was really negative scenarios also, like what's happening at home, who's taking care of my pets, so what's going to happen tomorrow, like if I'm not there at home. So once I came here and I meditated, like after like 30 minutes, everything seemed to just quiet down away and just wash away, and it really helps a lot meditation. Like people might say chanting mantras and all help, but I think coming here, sitting in the pyramid, under a pyramid, like in the king's chamber also, without any mantras or any tantric rhythms or anything, it really gives you a good feeling, like the actual meditation that actually helps you to connect with yourself, your inner self, and I guess it takes you on a journey, your own individual journey in a way, if you see it that way. So all the best for all the meditators who want to try it out.